In this episode, we have unexpected visitors at an abandoned hospital, and we show you another amazing cube shelter for factory workers, which has still a lot of artifacts inside. Hi, I'm Bob, an urban explorer, and with friends I explore the most amazing abandoned places worldwide. I'm on a short road trip in Hungary with Eelco, Andrea and Esther, and went on several missions.
The special ops is entering.
In the night, we end up being chased by security.
Oh my god.
The next day we visit an abandoned hospital, but this goes not as planned.
That was fast.
Facings.
We search for the most interesting rooms.
Yeah, it looks like it's ready to be moved out. It's an operating chair.
Yeah.
So many options how to change.
They are heavy.
Looks pretty vintage, right?
Cool, huh?
Yeah, nice. Funny.
Yeah.
Spot on.
Suddenly there's somebody at the front door.
Crawling on the ground.
Ik had zo'n selfie met haar.
Yeah. He's standing there now. He's leaving.
Really?
Yeah, he's leaving. Bye bye.
Maybe later we can play hide and seek.
Yeah.
You can already guess what happened a few minutes later.
So it wasn't working. There's a guy inside, and now we're hiding.
At least 2 people are inside. We wait until we hear no voices and try to get outside unseen. Hopefully the front door is open. Well, when you explore, this can always happen. Luckily, we get away. We have some time left and decide to check something of what we think will never work out. But hey, you can always try.
That could be closed, huh?
Open. I think it's open. There's no lock. Should I pull?
I turn the handle a few times around. To our surprise, we're in. Last week you could see how we explored an amazing cube shelter. This is a similar place. These cube shelters are bomb, gas and shrapnel proof, and this type of shelter you can find all around Hungary. They protected civilians, and in this case, factory workers. You'll see this cube shelter looks totally different and got abandoned much later.
It starts really good. Oh my god. So you can see here, it belongs to a company. You can see all the helmets. Nice. Here, those. Is this antique, Esther? This?
It's for, serving a lot of people at once. So for example, in schools and daycares and stuff.
Okay.
So we all had these, I think, in our childhood. It was filled with tea or cocoa or something. No, not soup.
Okay, just
No,
really
no.
big drinks.
Water, milk, sometimes, yes.
Okay, cool. Look at those here. If they had to dig out.
Later we find out these pickaxes were used to dig out people, which are under a collapsed building.
And those jackets here. Look how stiff they are.
Yeah, it's like cardboard, right?
You can hear it.
Just put it on, Bob.
Hello.
You can move like the robot. Yeah. Oh, it's totally different than the other one. Really totally different than the other one.
Oh,
Andrea
What
sees
did you
something.
find?
Yeah.
It's a radiation meter.
Maybe it is.
Yeah. They move this on the ground and it can measure the radiation.
Oh. Paper, how to
Instructions.
Yeah.
instruction, yeah.
Ah, oh, it's a whole box.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you check it? Ah, yeah, but that's newer, right? Can you open one of the boxes? It's all the same.
You know, these are some kind of rubber.
Ah, yeah, yeah,
elements.
I see.
Oh, can detect it.
Kind of.
Whoa!
That's a cool one.
And then when you turn it around, it's the same?
No,
Oh, no.
the other.
But that's really cool, yeah.
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 It's instruction how to, you know, set up this mask. Stylish one.
Oh, yeah.
There is a bunch of them in this box. Maybe. Okay,
Ladies,
Let's go.
did you expect to be shopping today? Look,
Oh,
store. Look.
Let's buy some stylish. Oh,
Where's the women's section?
You only have a choice in the size, not in the
Yeah.
model.
It's not for our emergencies.
No.
Quite recent stuff, by the way.
Yeah.
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 But still abandoned, right?
Yeah,
Because of all the mold, otherwise
But
it
at
wouldn't be moldy.
least the shelves are from 2006.
Yeah. I can't understand it in Hungarian. as
Oh,
well.
really? Oh.
Is the name
A
of
field guard's uniform
Okay.
for rainy days.
Ah, yeah.
I can't
raincoat.
translate.
It's also a
it.
raincoat.
It's a raincoat, yes,
Okay,
for someone who works out in
All
the
right.
open.
Yeah. But it's a different texture. It's not rubber. It's
Cotton-ish,
It's,
right?
yeah.
It's like it's frozen.
Yeah. Frozen. Yeah. Exploring with temperatures of
Quite
minus
literally
20 degrees.
frozen.
So it's checking out the boxes. All helmets.
Yeah.
And helmet parts, yes.
And more helmets also?
Yeah.
I think straps for the gas masks
Ah.
and the clothing. All of them moldy.
Of course.
I think it's not so usual that they are in separate parts, you know, the elements of
Ah,
the
yeah.
masks and
No.
everything.
Ah, yeah, indeed.
Yeah, it makes no sense when there's an emergency and then you have to.
Yeah, you have to.
But I think they, you know, I think this was used as a storage for
Yeah,
spare
yeah.
parts and stuff.
Yes,
It's not really the stuff you would see in emergency bunker.
Oh, it's such a big amount, it has to be. Yeah.
Yeah.
In the past decades, many of these shelters lost their function. Many of them were emptied. Some others turned into a museum or storage, and some are still in use.
Disappointment.
It's baby pink from the inside.
More closes. So this one is a lot smaller, I believe. Oh, those are in a good condition.
There they are.
All the gas masks.
Not rusty. A little bit.
Nice. Still dusty, yeah?
Yeah, but they are new ones because there is the paper inside.
Yeah, all of them have a paper attached. It seems. Ooh. Ooh.
All the coat hangers.
Yeah.
So is there any interesting text on the doors here? Is there something special or?
An emergency room.
Oh, this looks also fairly new.
What is this?
I don't know.
It looks
What is the
weird.
green things?
Yeah,
I
it
don't
looks
know.
weird.
Is it a strap to put on over the mask, or is it
Oh, here it is. One piece. It's a baby hat.
Really? Okay.
Against
For infants.
radiation.
And aliens.
So you don't lose your
No.
hair. No.
Don't touch. This is the
You know.
command office.
Command room.
Office,
Oh.
yeah.
So that in tűzoltóparancsnokság, which is the fire station is called that.
Okay.
It's pretty cool.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
We have.
Oh yeah, with a map.
Okay, that is one.
Oh, this is the area map.
Yeah,
I think a lot changed on this terrain.
an airplane. We are going
You know
to
those,
the
right?
moon.
It's a heat-resistant suit for the steel factory.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Next stop is moon. Okay, I won't.
Oh yeah. Oh. LED light inside.
Creepy.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the complete suits are here.
Trousers. Yeah, it is.
There you go.
Oh, big one. Look at the nice presentation here. It's a
Yeah.
telecell.
Telcel, yeah.
Telcel.
I like this one.
Only today, 25.
Yeah.
Take one.
Yeah.
There's also some kind of camouflage
Oh yeah.
coat.
Ooh.
Yeah.
This was.
It's like a whole cover. It's a bearing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's very sticky.
Brand new.
Never used.
Maybe it's not used. It has something to do with
Flüssigkeit.
moisture or fluid
Yeah.
measurement. It's connected to the blue system, which could be water. Yeah. I don't know. It's minimum. I don't know.
Oh well, we'll find out when we Google it.
Steel chains.
Oh my god.
It's really heavy stuff.
But yeah, we
It's
have
perhaps for
seen
carrying
these,
the.
yeah, kinds of belt in the other bunker.
It's a real treasure, this one.
These are the rubber ones.
Yeah, this is another
Here,
one, another type.
I haven't seen them today. The rubber ones, I haven't
Yeah.
seen them today.
No. Is it a Russian one? I think yeah, but you have different types. Each country is its own. What's it? Nice.
There you have your stretchers.
Oh yeah.
Ah yeah, your statue.
Or dirty clothes.
Look at this.
Look at that.
It's
Okay.
very, very moldy, but it's a
Inflected.
poster.
What does it say? No, you can't see anything on
I
it.
can, if I bend it, it will break, I think. Oh, nuclear rain and something about bombs. See?
Yeah,
A bomba energiájában növekszik.
and also the radiation.
Radiation,
water.
yeah.
I think this is the factory.
It has to. Maybe it was an informational poster about how to hide or something. I don't know.
Or you know, an
Look.
escape plan.
Oh, all of them. Creepy.
Oh my god, huge ones.
But these are interesting ones.
Ah, we've seen these before, the same ones.
Instructions totally gone, but they're so good.
They're cool, yeah. So that's a civilians in training.
Injuries. Injuries.
First aid.
Yeah, first aid.
Oh.
Oh, that's a nice one also.
Nice one.
Oh, this is cool.
People on the
Oh,
ground.
love the graphic design.
Yeah, me
Yeah.
Cooperation in case of a fallout.
Oh, there you can see the stone thing we just saw, right? Those.
too. Yeah, true.
Yeah.
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 But you wonder what they do. Ah, it's to get her under the rubbish.
Yeah, when-
To get the people out of the rubbish.
Smart.
Ah.
Yeah, you're right.
Ooh, this is nice. Can you turn it this way?
Yeah.
Like the atomic plane. A bit of
Yeah, how
space.
to use the atom energy
Peacefully.
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 Yeah.
And also for war.
For war
Peaceful
and
one.
peacefully. Is
Nuclear
the
energy, atoms.
atoms, it's physics.
The structure and the volume. of
Yeah,
the
molecules and stuff.
molecules. Yeah. Oh, it's the
The usage
the
of the
policy.
the policy of
Policy.
the using the irányfény.
Is it maybe with
The
gas and
lights.
water? Gas and water? Oh, lights,
They are
okay.
From building.
How to salvage an injured or damaged building.
Interesting, all this stuff. Yeah.
But this.
It just got 10 years of my life.
Yeah.
We have enough, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, okay, let's just put
Yeah.
it
Thanks
back.
for showing. Thanks for
You're
spreading
welcome.
all the moldy spores
I
to the air.
paid 10 years of my life for this. I know that the comments are going to ask, where's your mask?
Yeah,
It's
I
in
know.
the car.
Everyone's in the car. Oh, boxes.
There's the stairs.
Oh, yeah.
We find boxes with tons of unused items.
These are from 84.
The masks or with the clothes?
It was also a package.
These are for your arm. I don't know, what is that? 84, oh, karbantartva.
Yeah.
Last checked in 84.
Yeah, and these were packages. you
Bags,
know.
yeah.
Bag, soap.
Oh, bags for soap.
Yeah.
Oh yes, it has.
Oh.
What, soap?
Yeah. Oh,
Ooh.
yum yum. Oh, it's soft. Oh, God, Jesus. Look at this. Yeah.
Yeah. I tried to unpack it in the medical bunker, remember? And I was also like, ooh.
And
I regretted it.
it's also good for 18 months.
Okay.
So
That's it, yeah.
This is expired, right?
let's not,
40 years ago.
Looks like.
I'm gonna check it.
I think it's only service stuff. But
No, I don't know.
otherwise,
I see toilets.
Who knows?
So we found a funny system. Instead of a hand crank, we found some kind of bicycle for the manual filter. That should be stable. No?
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, it's no. You can't sit there. No. It's not. The other one I think is better. Yeah. This one is not even possible. That one. That works.
Yeah.
She has to work for some fresh air. It would be nice if that had a screen there. I think you have to with running too, right? That's cool. What is the bicycle? Here's the generator. Yeah, we saw it downstairs too, this one.
Oh, it's zero air filter.
Yeah, okay.
But the other one is controllable. So it's rough air.
Rough air, okay, yeah, it's unfiltered air.
Yeah.
And then it was filtered here.
The blue juice.
Cool. I wonder why this ended up here.
Yeah, it's weird.
Since this whole shelter is some kind of storage, I suspect this iron lung was made in a nearby factory and stored here. Well, we explored the whole shelter already. It was a lot smaller than the previous one, but still very cool to see.
Alright. Yep, time to go out.
Thanks for watching. Leave a comment and thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more amazing adventures.